Yeah, let's let this player, let's let a player see what I'm going to do. Oh yeah, I named it Let's Play. So, Let's Play is a difficult obby. I would say is impossible. I can't even, yeah. So this is me trying to beat my own obby. Now, okay, so I got the game pass where you can do the double jump, which does not come really helpful when it comes to like this stuff. Ugh. Okay, so I'm gonna make from scratch. I'm gonna clear it. Now let's build. So yeah, so I already have the double jump. So yep, let's build. I wish I was a deluxe member, but I can't. But I'm not a deluxe member. So let's build Porconi. Now, if you want to make your own troll lobby, then follow the steps that I use. First, change the color of these. Okay. Now put the gray color on every red area. So it should look like this. Actually, okay, remove last. Let's see. Okay, so it's three of these. Teleport to the end. Now, okay, so okay. So once you're done with that, then this is like an idea. So we're going to make this pink. And this red. Actually, the gray. Actually, that's gray. Don't know what I'm doing. Wait a second. Okay. Now people, if it's hard enough, they'll fall right for the trap. Okay. That will be good. And if you'd like, put 2 of these, 2 of these, and a couple of these. If you'd like, you could do the red checkpoint, which will kill them. A lot of these, a lot of these, a lot of these, a lot of these. Okay. Make sure to spam a lot of things that people do not like the Saturn, this. Pretty much, yeah. Well, and also a lot of these and these. Okay. Now, this is pretty long. So, just do a lot of evil rubber ducks. Okay, remove last. And then you put that. Yeah. Then, if you'd like, and that's how you do torture. So, I'm still naming it Let's Play, but let's do a preview. Yeah, you can't really beat my own hobby, but I'm just okay. I have Bluebird 2546 here. And I think he's trying, actually. I wonder what happens when you try to get 2. Okay, never mind. You can only do 1. Okay, so that should be it. And no, I am not a zombie. But if you want to see more videos like these, make sure to slap a like, punch that subscribe button in the face, and for an extra bonus, share on anything, Twitter, Twitch, YouTube, well, it's on YouTube, but also I'm giving a shout out to the person who was my first subscriber. I think his name was probably Leafy Man, a couple of numbers. Not like the word a couple of numbers, but make sure to show some support for him. See ya, YouTube. Goodbye. In the world.